What's up, guys? Charles here. Someone in the United Kingdom is offering a Core Ultra 7 265K processor for £450. This price is not very attractive given that the CPU is listed at £379 through official retail channels. However, for those who are extremely interested in testing the CPU early, this might be a way to get their hands on it sooner. Of course, we strongly discourage users from buying a CPU from a third party. Not to mention, the CPU is essentially useless without a compatible motherboard, which does not appear to be available yet. In fact, even the seller of 265K does not have any board listed, and this seems to be the only CPU in stock. The Core Ultra 7 265K is a 20-core CPU positioned as a second-tier variant within the Arrow Lake S lineup. This processor is launching on October 24th, alongside the 24-core 285K and 14-core 245K models. The 285K is said to cost 549 GBP, while 245K should retail at 289 GBP in UK. That's it for today's video. Do consider subscribing for all the latest content on gaming, and as always, I'll see you at the next one. Peace out.